Hi, welcome back. Coming to the week 10 assignment 10 of data analytics with Python. Let's see the questions, and we are having only two more assignments to write the exam. So download the lecture notes and start preparing for the exam. Also, you can go through the assignment questions and the material also to get good marks. And sampling distribution of goodness of the fitness test is the chi-square distribution. Goodness of fit test is always conducted as a upper tail test. State true or false. Null hypothesis for a chi-square test or independence assumes that the proportions are equal. False. Statistical test conducted to determine whether to reject or not reject a hypothesis probability distribution for the population is known as goodness of fit test. What is the minimum number of variable speeches required to perform clustering? 1. And which of the following is used for finding optimal clusters in k-mean algo method? And movie recommendation systems are examples of classification and clustering. How can clustering be improved in accuracy of linear regression model? So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the correct answers. Let x1 is equal 1, comma 2, x2 is equal 3, comma 5. The coordinates of two objects. Equilibrium Manhattan distance is 3.61 and 5. State true or false. Discriminant analysis does not require the grouping variable to be known as the beginning. This is false. Now you can submit your answers. And once again, remember that we are having only two more assignments. After that, you have to write the exam. So start preparing for the exam. So subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.